In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Base44 branding from your application the right way. If you've been seeing the Edit with Base44 watermark or platform badge, I'll walk you through the exact place where you can turn it off in your project settings. This is a quick but important step if you want your app to look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Now, the key thing to know is that removing Base44 branding requires a paid subscription. So before you start, make sure your account is on a plan that includes the option to disable the platform badge. Once that's confirmed, log into your Base44 account and open the project you want to update. From there, go into your project settings. Look for the branding or badge-related option inside the settings panel. Depending on how your dashboard is organized, this may be labeled as platform badge, Base44 branding, or something similar. The goal is to find the toggle that controls the visible Base44 watermark on your app. Once you find it, switch the badge off. This is the setting that removes the Edit with Base44 branding from your application. After turning it off, save your changes so the update is applied properly. In most cases, the branding should disappear from your app shortly after the settings are saved. If you still see the badge, refresh your app preview and double check that you saved the project settings correctly. Also make sure your subscription is active because without the paid plan, the branding option may not be available. And that's it. You've now removed Base44 branding from your application by disabling the platform badge in your project settings. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how polished your app looks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick app tutorials and no-nonsense setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.